Assalamu alaikum. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today inshallah we are going to do a dramatic yellow full cut crease. As you can see, we've already done our base foundation and everything, because today we are only focusing on the eyes. And with me today is my beautiful girl Farhia as my muse. Welcome all. Eyebrows, so nimetumia Too Faced Born This Way sculpting concealer in the shade golden beige highlight eyes zake kama my eyeshadow base. Like I said, I prefer mtu atumie base ambayo ina full coverage kwa sababu ikupe that yani ifinike macho yake vizuri. Eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills Novida in the ile purple collection na Morphe X Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette to create our look. Welcome. About tutafanya ni full cut crease. Tutaanza na base shadows ambazo za ku sculpt our socket tupate kutengeza ile shape ambayo tunataka kwenda nayo. I'll start with a purple shade in number B4 kwenye Novida palette. Natumia pencil brush drawing a line. I'll try dragging it out so as nikija nikifanya full cut crease iwe easy ya kufuta kuchora the concealer. Nafata eye look yake na nimeenda above her crease line so as tupate kutengeza space ya eyeshadow ambayo tutakuja fanya baadaye. First try mwanzo kuipack, then later tutablend. Any pencil brush will do. You don't need to go specific with what I'm using. I'm using a Morphe brush, plain brush, to diffuse the sharp line. Kwa sababu we don't want the eyeshadow iwe sharp, so as kuna either colors tutakuja kupack, it will be hard. I'm going for the Morphe X Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette in the shade Self-Made. It's a pink shade on top of the purple shade. I'm just packing the eyeshadow. We'll go back and blend so as kusiwe na any sharp lines na iwe diffused. Make sure you don't take a lot of product since alafu kuja kublend itakuwa hard. And another important tip nimesahau kusema, it's make sure watia translucent powder under her eye, so as any fallout ya eyeshadow itaanguka juu ya hii translucent powder. Don't be afraid, yani baadaye ukija ukitap itafutika tu. So any place ambapo wajua kutaingia eyeshadow, place the translucent powder. Back again, I'm diffusing my pink eyeshadow with the purple one. I'll go back to the purple nikitry kuondoa mstari ambao umeona uko sharp. Nimechukua product kidogo sana just so as niondoe that sharp line. And this is a small blending brush. So I've used the shade purple and pink. Now I'll go to the Ooh Honey palette from Colourpop, the yellow pack palette. Kidogo imevunjika, I can't show you inside vizuri, but nitatumia shade Sunburst. So nachukua shade Sunburst ku highlight, ku diffuse the line better, the pink line. But hii naichukua very yani kidogo sana just near her eyebrow bone, highlighting eyebrow bone. As you can see, tayari ime diffuse from purple to pink to yellow. You can see where kumetokea mstari. I'll go back again to the pink, so as kidogo ipop, since nimetumia yellow imepotea. So it's all about playing with brushes and back and forth. The more you go out, the more diffuse atakanwa iwe. Usiwache ikawa very sharp, since twaja kufanya sharp cut crease. Na I use many brushes. Hizi za blending ama pencil brushes kwa sababu ni easy kufocus any mahali ambao wataka. I'm going back again to the sunburst from the ColourPop palette to pop the yellow. With that 3 shades, now I'm going to cut our crease, niipe that sharpness ya full cut crease. So as ziwe macho zimelingana, since this side eye mushaona step zake, so we are going to cut the crease now. Na both sides nimetumia translucent powder. As you can see kuna fallout. Ikiwa umefanya base kisha eyeshadow kama hizi, yasumbua na fallout ya eyeshadow. Na hizi eyeshadow ziko very pigmented, that's why yani yashika haraka. Go slowly with the eyeshadow. Sasa nitatumia the Body Shop Chamomile yani cleansing butter ku cut crease yangu. This is a makeup remover nini gel wax, but you can use it kama ku cut crease yako, ku cleanse. Again tafuta hapa, itawaka kama Vaseline. You can see already yanitolea yasafisha. I'll use the back ambapo hakuna product na ku cleanse. Nitatoa extra eyeshadow kwa sababu shadow ambayo tunataka kuweka sasa hatutaki ile purple iwe ina fallout. Now we want the sharp line ya cut crease. We're going to do the other eye off camera, so as we continue with the other step. Cleanse the other eye pia off camera with the same chamomile cleanser from Body Shop. P. Louis base kama concealer yangu ya kwenye hii crease ambao nimecut. So this is in the shade yes eye yellow and number 0. Kwa sababu 0 ni Ruma 0, it's yani white, completely white. Na hii the yellow it's too much, yani iko too bright like orange. So nitazi mixed nipate yellow shade. Hapa so as nipate nyama yani skin yake ipate kwa stretch, I'll start cutting yani base yangu ya full cut crease. So hata nikija nikiweka yellow eyeshadow on top, either shimmer or matte, ita stick kwa sababu tayari underneath una base. Hii trick yake ni vile vile from my previous video nilionyesha how to cut crease for beginners. So angalieni vile nilivyofanya, like kuweka concealer hapa, then mtu angalie juu upate kuona yani crease yako wapi. You'll do the same, alafu huku mwisho tu utai drag through mfupa wake. As hapa kuna eyebrow bone, huu mfupa ulioko hapa ndo utautumia kuendeleza hii cut crease yako for the full cut crease. Crease nitatumia the same palette ya ColourPop Honey in the shade Paloza na Total Budget. Nitazimi yani flat shader brush. Hizi brush za kupa yani ya kuallow kuweza kugo deep na kuplace mahali ambapo wataka, kuliko kutumia the blending brushes itakuwa ngumu cause ile ya blend kila mahali. This is specific yaenda mahali pale wataka kufocus. Thing nimekumbuka, I didn't mention, make sure you go to the crease line with the shimmer eyeshadow. Hiyo ndo itakupa that yani effect ya kuwa kuna cut crease. But if you're not going to go directly to the line ambao ume cut crease with shimmer eyeshadow, itakuwa messed. Alafu ita eyeliner kwenye hii cut crease yake. Hii ni Iconic London smooth, zile glitters ni zile very soft glitters. I'll mix the glitter glue na pigments to get that creamy texture. Vuta jicho, draw pole pole, chukua kidogo kidogo, go back if needed, but yani you'll be precise wapa wataka iende. Hii naona ya kupa control kuliko kuchukua glitter glue kapaka kisha ukachukua glitters ndo kaziweka kidogo. Na hisi yani for mtu ambaye ni beginner yasumbua. Just to be on the safe side, this method is better. Now we are doing our wing liner tukitumia the brand W7 liquid eyeliner. It's affordable but mashallah yakaukamat vizuri na yani payoff yake nzuri. So we are going to drag our eyeliner tukienda nje, but we are going to do a dramatic wing liner. So pay attention to the details I'm going to do. Fungua macho. Ask, yani angalia mtu, hakikisha mtu yuangalia juu. Start from our lower lash line, dragging it up. Close eyes. Nafanya mstari pole pole. Fanya mstari kidogo kidogo ukiipanua, kwa sababu waweza kuanza direct na kufanya nene kisha alafu ikawa pengine kwenda makosa. Drag it out. And hapa tutakuja ku clean na concealer so as to have the sharp line. There we have it. Fungua macho. Ile concealer nilotumia highlight with a concealer brush. This is from Morphe to sharpen her eyeliner. Mara nyingine ukiapply yaenda kombo. It's not a problem. You'll go back to it uirekebishe iwe sharp. Then tatumia the beauty blender to buff it in ili sikauke ikawa dry, ikawa matte. Nitatumia translucent powder to set that area. And under eye yake tumalize eye look yetu. Nitatumia the same Novida eyeshadow palette shade black number D5 kwanza ku diffuse hapa. I just want to blend hapa kwa outer corner, then natumia shade C5 number brown to set the front part. That's it for our inner corner, for our lower lash line. Yake hapa inner corner nitatumia totally bagging kwenye ile palette ya kwa Colourpop. It's a shimmer yellow, yani light yellow to pop in her inner corner. Nishafanya mascara, nishabandika lashes off camera so as to to save time. For dramatic makeup look, yellow full cut crease. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share and like. Thank you. See you soon.